Hi everyone, I am making some tamalitos and this is what I start off with. I start off with fresh corn and I keep my corn cobs because I can make a corn cob jelly from them. It's so delicious. I usually make the corn cob pepper jelly. I think I showed you that before. So anyways, here's my beginning of the tamalitos. It's used with fresh corn, and if you can't get fresh corn, I believe that the frozen corn would work just as well. You just need to thaw it out and blend it. So I'll be blending this and put it in my masa with some beautiful butter. Yeah, we use butter in my tamalitos. Very delicious. Okay, and actually it's ghee. So I'll be making my ghee and making these wonderful tamalitos. All right, for my family and friends. Have a good one.